Mastering company financial health. The company's pursuit of operational excellence is only as strong as its financial backbone. How does the company's strategic plan for achieving operational excellence integrate with its financial objectives? And what specific initiatives has it implemented to ensure that its operational efficiency improvements align with its overall financial health goals? As I sat in the conference room, surrounded by the senior leadership team of a well-established manufacturing company, I couldn't help but sense a palpable unease. The company's financial health had been a growing concern for months, and tensions were running high. The CEO, a seasoned executive with a no-nonsense demeanor, looked around the room and asked point-blank, "What's going on with our operational excellence initiatives? Are we really getting the bang for our buck?" I listened intently as the team leader responsible for operational excellence launched into a detailed presentation on the company's various initiatives aimed at improving efficiency and reducing costs. The language was technical, the data was impressive, and the enthusiasm was evident. But as I listened, I felt a growing sense of discomfort. Something wasn't quite right. I recall thinking to myself, this is all well and good, but where's the beef? By that, I meant, where was the connection between these operational excellence initiatives and the company's overall financial health objectives? It was as if the two were operating in separate silos, with little attention paid to how they intersected. I decided to take a risk and ask a question that would shift the conversation. "Can you tell me," I asked the team leader, "how you would describe the financial health of the company right now? What are the key metrics that you're using to measure success?" The room fell silent. It was as if I had touched a raw nerve. The team leader hesitated, then launched into a lengthy explanation of the company's current financial performance, replete with graphs and charts. But I noticed that the CEO's eyes began to glaze over, and the rest of the team seemed to be losing interest. That's when it hit me. The problem wasn't the operational excellence initiatives themselves, but rather the fact that they were being driven by a narrow focus on efficiency gains, rather than a deeper understanding of the company's overall financial health objectives. It was as if the team had been so focused on the trees that they had lost sight of the forest. I decided to take another risk and offer a gentle challenge. "I think what's missing here is a clear line of sight between your operational excellence initiatives and the company's financial health goals. Can we take a step back and explore how these two are connected?" The room fell silent again. But this time, it was a different kind of silence. It was as if the team was collectively holding its breath, waiting to see what would come next. And that's when the magic happened. The CEO leaned forward, a look of intense focus on his face, and asked, "Okay, how do we do that?" The team leader nodded vigorously, and the conversation shifted to how the company could integrate its operational excellence initiatives with its financial health objectives. Over the next few hours, we worked together to map out a new approach, one that would tie operational efficiency gains directly to financial health metrics. It wasn't easy, and it required some tough choices and trade-offs. But as we worked, I could feel the energy in the room shift. The team began to see the connection between their day-to-day work and the company's overall financial health. They began to speak in a new language, one that emphasized the interplay between efficiency, cost reduction, and revenue growth. As we wrapped up the meeting, the CEO turned to me and said, "I think we finally get it. We've been so focused on the how that we forgot about the why." The team leader nodded in agreement, and I could sense a collective sense of relief wash over the room. That's when I knew that the company was on the path to achieving operational excellence, not just because of some fancy new processes or technologies, but because the team had developed a deeper understanding of how their work connected to the company's overall financial health goals. They had, in effect, learned to speak a new language, one that emphasized the interconnectedness of efficiency, cost reduction, and revenue growth. As I left the conference room that day, I couldn't help but think about the parallels between this company's journey and my own personal growth. It was a powerful reminder that true excellence is not just about achieving some abstract goal, but about cultivating a deeper understanding of how our individual efforts contribute to the larger whole. The company's strategic plan for achieving operational excellence is deeply intertwined with its financial objectives, aiming to optimize performance and drive sustainable growth. To integrate operational excellence with financial objectives, the company has adopted a comprehensive approach, focusing on three primary areas: process optimization, cost reduction, and innovation. Firstly, process optimization initiatives aim to streamline operations, eliminate inefficiencies, and enhance productivity. By mapping and analyzing business processes, the company has identified areas for improvement, such as reducing waste, minimizing duplication of effort, and simplifying workflows. Implementing lean principles and tools, such as value stream mapping, Kaizen events, and Six Sigma methodologies, has enabled the company to remove non-value-added activities, improve quality, and increase throughput. For instance, a recent process optimization project in the manufacturing division resulted in a 25% reduction in production lead times, enabling the company to respond more quickly to changing customer demands and improve its working capital management. Secondly, cost reduction initiatives focus on minimizing unnecessary expenditures and optimizing resource allocation. The company has conducted a thorough cost analysis, identifying opportunities to reduce overheads, procurement costs, and energy consumption. Implementing cost-saving measures, such as renegotiating contracts with suppliers, consolidating facilities, and investing in energy-efficient technologies, has helped to reduce costs without compromising performance. For example, a cost reduction initiative in the logistics division led to a 15% reduction in transportation costs, which was achieved through route optimization, load consolidation, and modal shift from air to land transportation. Thirdly, innovation initiatives aim to drive growth, improve competitiveness, and unlock new revenue streams. The company has invested in research and development, digital transformation, and employee upskilling to stay ahead of the curve. By leveraging emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things, the company has developed new products, services, and business models that create value for customers and drive revenue growth. For instance, the development of a digital platform for customers to track orders and shipments in real time has improved customer satisfaction, reduced inquiries, and increased sales. To ensure that operational efficiency improvements align with overall financial health goals, the company has implemented several key initiatives. 1. Key Performance Indicators, KPIs. The company has established a set of KPIs that are closely linked to its financial objectives, such as revenue growth, gross margin, and return on investment, ROI. These KPIs provide a clear yardstick to measure operational performance and drive decision-making. 2. Cross-functional teams. The company has established cross-functional teams comprising representatives from various departments, including operations, finance, and sales. These teams meet regularly to discuss performance, identify areas for improvement, and implement initiatives that drive operational excellence and financial health. 3. Continuous monitoring and evaluation. The company conducts regular reviews of its operational performance, financial health, and strategic initiatives. This continuous monitoring and evaluation enable the company to identify areas that require improvement, adjust its strategy, and make data-driven decisions. 4. Employee engagement and training. The company recognizes that employee engagement and training are critical to driving operational excellence. It has invested in training programs that equip employees with the skills and knowledge needed to optimize processes, reduce waste, and improve productivity. 5. Incentivization and recognition. The company has implemented an incentivization and recognition program that rewards employees for their contributions to operational excellence and financial health. This program motivates employees to strive for excellence, innovate, and take ownership of their work. By integrating operational excellence with financial objectives, the company has achieved significant improvements in its financial health, including revenue growth, 10% increase in revenue over the past 12 months. Gross margin improvement, 2% increase in gross margin over the past 12 months. Return on investment, ROI, 15% ROI on capital investments over the past 24 months. Working capital reduction, 12% reduction in working capital over the past 12 months. Employee productivity, 18% increase in employee productivity over the past 12 months. In conclusion, the company's strategic plan for achieving operational excellence is closely tied to its financial objectives, focusing on process optimization, cost reduction, and innovation. By implementing specific initiatives, such as KPIs, cross-functional teams, continuous monitoring, employee engagement, and incentivization, the company has driven significant improvements in its financial health, positioning itself for sustainable growth and competitiveness in the market.